Hello angels, today we're going to do the unboxing of the Boxycharm for the month of May 2021. So we're going to do the unboxing and reveal all the products and all of that good stuff. And if you're here first time, I do the unboxing videos and also the try on of the like beauty products and clothing subscription boxes and all of that good stuff. So do consider subscribing. And this is the Boxycharm that we got for the month of May 2021. So we're going to do the unboxing, and here is the sneak peek. So these are all the products that I got, and let's see right off the bat that I see this beauty, and this is the one that I actually did chose, and this is what it's a Tarte High Performance Naturals Shape Tape Glow Wand. Let me see how this looks. So this is how it looks. Here is the concealer that I got, and the good thing about this one is there is this blending thing on the other side. So here is the blending sponge that we got. So this is, I think, a brand new that was released by the Tarte. So here is the wand. So this is how it looks, and this is the full size product that we got. An intense eye lift in a tube, sheer liquid brightens, let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. Awesome. And this one retails for $27, and this is more than what I actually paid for. So Boxycharm is $25 per subscription box, and you would get around 5 full-size beauty products. So this is the first one, and I actually chose this product. And let's see what we have next. So this is the card that we got around this time. So it has that florally theme going on, and this has list of all the products that I received in my box, and it also has the numbers that I received, like the version number or something that I received around this time. All right, so let's see what we have next product. Okay, let's see what this is. So this is how it looks, and this is Seattle London Bamboo Bronzer, and this one retails for $28, and this is oil controlling formulation, is used with botanical ingredients including bamboo powder for a shine free sun-kissed finish, and the super lightweight powder can be swept across cheekbones for a subtle glow or build up to contour and chisel your features. All right, so here is how it looks. You see that? How pretty is that? And it also has got that star kind of details going on, and it has got mirror on one side. So this is the color, might be light for me, but I need to give it a shot. And this is the bronzer that we got, and this one retails for $28. And next up I got this beauty, and let's see what this is. Oh, First Aid Beauty. I really love the products from First Aid Beauty. Their cosmetics are usually good, and my skin won't react for their products. That's the reason I really love their products. And this one retails for $30, and this is a smoothie priming moisturizer. Never heard of that. This is a priming moisturizer. This is a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer, safe for sensitive skin. That is what I was talking about. Sensitive skin, here we are. All right, and this one retails for $30, formulated with coconut water and other superfood ingredients. This complexion enhancing moisturizer instantly brightens, hydrates, and smooths while helping blur the appearance of pores. And the result is beautiful, healthy looking skin when wore alone, and long lasting makeup when used as a prep step. So I'm assuming this is like you could use it as a like base primer, or just leave this one as it is if you don't want to apply any makeup. Just use this as a moisturizer. And this is a Hello Fab First Aid Beauty. All right, we are off to our fourth product, and this is this beauty, and this is the Cab eyeshadow palette. Is that Cab? K-A-B? I don't know. So this is the eyeshadow palette that I got, and this one retails for $52. Wow, that's expensive eyeshadow palette. And this is a day plus night eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette has a new formula and new, I said few, I don't know, few formula. All right, has a new formula and new sustainable packaging with 18 highly pigmented shades to create looks for both a day and night, all in one product. And use a softer, lighter shades to create your favorite daytime look, and play around with the bolder, darker shades for more intense nighttime look. And this one retails for $52. Wow, I really love that one. For some reason my eyes were around like this terracotta for some reason, so this is what I was talking about. This is the eyeshadow called terracotta. All right, so this is the eyeshadow palette, and a really good size pans, and the shimmers are beautiful and the mattes are beautiful. Really nice color story. Love this one. So it has got more like purplish pink kind of vibes and with more kind of neutrals, so love this one. All right, let's see what we got last. So this is our last product. Last but not least, let's see. This one is Mankader Beauty Pluck It 2-piece tweezer set, and this one retails for $18. Oh, it's kind of sealed, but here is the two eyeshadows kind of. I don't know why I said eyeshadow. It's a tweezer set, 2-piece tweezer set, retails for $18. Time to say pluck it to bad pros. This tweezer set contains one salted tweezer for precise plucking and one pointed tweezer to isolate a single hair in a large area. A long handle provides a more controlled tweeze, and this one retails for $18. Well, that's pretty much it for today, guys. Hopefully you did enjoy today's video, and if you did, consider subscribing and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe.